We are the UB Marketing Association, a diverse group that loves to explore all things marketing in fun and creative ways. Undergraduate and graduate students of all majors are welcome.
Marketing is a part of everything, from the ads you see on Instagram and TV to sales, even marketing yourself to get a job.
At UBMA, marketing professionals from Pagula Sports and Entertainment, Rich Products, and many others regularly connect with us to share their experience, knowledge, and answer any questions we may have.
In addition to fostering a place to learn and grow, we value getting to know one another as friends and being able to make those long-lasting connections through our fun social activities.
Local companies often ask us to assist them with real-world projects and offer internships to UBMA members before they open the application up to the public.
We are a group that supports one another to explore what makes you passionate in the vast field of marketing.
Although this fall semester will look different than others, we will continue to connect and learn together. Feel free to reach out with any questions. We can't wait to see you.